Imagine taking TikTok's most addictive, satisfying visuals and turning them into real products you can sell without touching a pencil or hiring a designer. Today, I'm showing you how to cash in on the booming adult coloring book market using dopamine prints, a system designed for viral profits and instant engagement. My first impression? This is pure gold for anyone who wants to jump into print on demand books, tap into viral trends, and scale quickly. It's beginner friendly, fully done for you, and backed with AI prompts so you can expand endlessly. Dopamine Prints is a complete package of dopamine themed adult coloring books. It includes 3 full collections: Tiny Triumphs, Sensory Kaleidoscope, and Achievement Tracker Journal. It's perfect for new affiliate marketers wanting digital products to sell, creators who want to dominate a niche before it floods Amazon, anyone who wants ready made products with unlimited AI powered expansion. And here's the kicker: you don't need design skills or experience. If you can copy, paste, and click, you can start publishing. Inside, you get everything you need: fully designed dopamine coloring pages ready for KDP publishing, Canva templates to tweak covers, layouts, and even remix designs, AI expansion packs, just copy paste prompts to generate new pages in minutes, step by step KDP guide to publish and start selling. You can literally take a book from the dashboard to Amazon in less than a day, and then scale by generating hundreds more pages using the included AI prompts. There are optional upgrades if you want to go all in. Premium Collection: 12 additional dopamine coloring books plus 24 new palettes for just $17. Dopamine Expansion Pack: stickers, videos, social media Canva templates, and t shirt designs for $27. PLR Sales Funnel Bundle: complete editable sales funnel plus Canva templates for $47. Each OTO boosts your ability to resell, customize, and expand your empire fast. And here's the insane part: if you grab dopamine prints through my link, you'll also get exclusive bonuses that make this an absolute no brainer. WP Slideshow Master: create stunning slideshows and embed social links. WP Swift Page Plugin: instantly speed up your site and reduce bounce. Lead Book Generator: auto add Facebook leads to your email list. WP Email Timer Plus: countdown timers for more clicks and sales. Conversion Equalizer: boost your ad conversions effortlessly. Sales Page Recycler: reuse pages across funnels without duplication. Action Poll: segment your audience and improve opt-ins. Article Analyzer: optimize content for more search traffic. Website Pouch Pro: hide show content with one click to boost conversions. Slide Up Bar plugin: build opt-ins and grow your email list fast. And that's just the first 10. There are dozens more to help you dominate traffic, conversions, and social media engagement. Remember, these bonuses expire fast and are only available through my link below. If you've been waiting for a ready-made, beginner-friendly viral trend product, Dopamine Prints is it. The adult coloring book market is already worth over $1 billion, and this dopamine sub-niche is untapped. Act fast. Bonuses expire in 48 hours, and the first mover advantage won't last long. Click the link below to grab your copy, claim your exclusive bonuses, and start publishing your dopamine empire today. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Comment dopamine if you're ready to take action. And don't forget to subscribe for more tools to grow your online business. All the download instructions and bonuses will be delivered instantly after your purchase through my link below. Don't wait. Go claim your Dopamine Prints bundle now